Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This video is the first part of tutorial for this watch, Casio DW291H. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, now let's start with the timekeeping mode. And to get to the timekeeping mode, if you're in the other mode, just press the mode button several times until you hear the high pitch beeping sound, that one. Okay. And then if you want to check the active CD, just press the adjust button on the top left. And you will see the active CD on the date display, like this one. Okay, and then for the timekeeping mode, it has 4 series that you can set, and if you want to change the CD from T1, let's say, to T2, 3 and 4, just press the search button, and now T2, T3, T4, and return to T1. Okay, the next one, you can also activate the demo mode or auto display by press and hold the search button. Okay, until it beeps, and now as you can see here, it changed from T1 to 3 and 4 sequentially. Okay, if you want to exit or stop the demo or the auto display mode, you can press any button and it will stop. Next, we will do the LCD check, and to do that, press 3 buttons at the same time, adjust, mode, and search. So you might want to hold the watch in this position, and the trick is to press the adjust button a bit earlier and then the other two like this. Okay, and you will see this LCD check screen. And then the next LCD check screen is press the search button to show. Okay, again, and now it's showing the code 3198, and again, now return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, next, if you want to activate the backlight, easy, just press the light button on the top right. Okay. And then the next one, if you want to activate the button mute operation or silent button operation, you can press and hold the mode button from any mode, not just timekeeping. So just press and hold, and yeah, it will activate this one, mute, meaning that now if you press any button, it will not give beeping sound. But anyway, the alarm and then countdown timer and also the signal or hourly chime will still give beeping sound. Okay, now if you want to deactivate, press and hold the mode button. And now the button operation is not silent. Okay, return to the timekeeping mode. Next, we will set the time and date, and to do that, press and hold the adjust button on the top left. Okay, now as you can see, the second is flashing or blinking. And you can set by pressing the search button. If it is 30 or more, it will become 0 with additional minute, like this. And if it is 29 or less, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay. Next, press the mode button. And this is the daylight saving. If you want to activate, just press the search button. If you want to deactivate, also use the same button. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the CD. And yes, you can use these 2 buttons, light and search. Light will move the city to the west or to the left side of the map, and search to the east or to the right side of the map. And my city is at the same time zone with PKK Bangkok, so I will use this one. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the hour. You can change using these 2, light for decreasing and search to increase. So it's like light is counterclockwise and search is clockwise. Okay, press again the mode button, and now is the minute. Same thing, light to decrease and search to increase. Again mode button, and now is the time format. You can use the search button to change, so it's 10 PM or 22, and I will just use this 24-hour format for this one. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the year. You can use the light button to decrease and search button to increase. Press again the mode button, and now is the month. Same thing, light button to decrease and search button to increase. Again mode button, and now is the date. Light button to decrease and search button to increase. Okay, press again, and this is the length of the backlight. This means 1.5 seconds, and if you want to change, press the search button, and this is 3 seconds, meaning longer backlight, but maybe it will drain the battery faster. So whichever you want. Let me just set as 3, and yeah, press the mode button again, and now return to the second. And if you're done with the setting, just press the adjust button and done. You have set the time and date for this watch and also the backlight. And now let me also show you how to set the T2, 3 and 4. And to do that, this is still in the timekeeping mode and this is T1. Now press the search button and we are in the T2. So to adjust or to change T2, press and hold the adjust button. Okay, and then now you can change the city by pressing the light and search button. Light button goes to the west side of the map and search to the east side of the map. Okay, now press the mode button and this is the daylight saving. If you want to activate, press the search button. If you want to deactivate, also the same button. Okay, now press mode and yeah, return to the city. Press the adjust button to exit. And you can do the same thing for T3. So let me show you. Press and hold the adjust button. And let me change to, let's say, London. Okay. And then press the mode button for the daylight saving. Let me, let's say I want to activate this one. Okay. And then, yeah, if done setting the city and the daylight saving, you can also just press the adjust button and done. T4 also the same way to set, but I will not show here. You can try yourself. Okay, now we have set the T2, 3 and 4. Okay, and yeah, that's it for the basic settings for the timekeeping mode and also LCD check screen and so on. And then for the world time, alarm, timer and stopwatch will be on the second part of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more budget watch reviews and tutorials. Please feel free to give input in the comment section. Have a great day.